There are quite a few mistakes that we make while we are solving algebraic expressions. So that will include some of this. Of course, there are many, but these are the general mistakes. So let's look at them. So what we have here is 3a plus 2b. So what is the answer over here? Exact answer. Okay, I hope you guys thought about that. So generally people end up writing 5, if not 5a, if not 5b. The actual answer is what? 3a plus 2b. Why? Correct. They are unlike terms. These two are unlike terms. So we can't simplify it further. Now here, what is the exact answer? What is the actual answer? Actual answer is 3b minus 2b minus b. So we have to first simplify from the left. See, again, remember, variables are nothing but placeholders for numbers. So how do you solve such an expression if there were no, say it was just 3 minus 2 minus 1? You would have used board mass and try to solve it, is it not? So there is no brackets, no addition, no operation, no division, multiplication. Addition, subtraction is there. So we will move from left to right. So left to right, the very first thing is 3b minus 2b, that is 1b, minus just b is nothing but 1b. And then again subtraction, so this is 0. Actual answer is 0. Why someone, some of us might get 2b is that first we might end up solving 2b minus b. That will give us 1b, and then 3b minus 1b will give us 2b. That's how generally people make mistakes. So the answer is, the solution is to use board mass, and that's the trick. Start from left to right and solve it. Yeah, I'm waiting for you guys to take a second and think what's the mistake. Yes, not using distributive property properly. So herein you have to multiply not only p with 6 but also 2 with 6. So 2p plus 12. So that's the right answer. So not using distributive property is the problem over there. Here too, the issue is not using distributive property properly. That is, negative of this entire expression will be minus 3x minus 4y. So generally people will end up taking this as positive, and so 3 plus 4 is 7, and they end up with that answer. But here it is negative of 4y. So the negative has to be multiplied with 3x and 4y. Or you can think of it as, is a negative, you have a brackets, so you have to take the additive inverse of 3x and 4y, that is minus 3x minus 4y, write it. You can do it this way also. And then you know that you are looking at like terms, so you'll use commutative law to shift terms around. And this is to do with, this is to do with commutative law. This is to do with 1x plus this will be, you can directly do it, minus 1y. So that's the right answer, not this. Okay, what about this? Here too the same mistake. So you have to take the negative of this entire thing would be the additive inverse of 2, that is minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 6z, that is plus 6z. And so we have 5 minus 3, those are the like terms. So that is 5 minus 2, that is 3 plus 6z. And that would be your answer.